everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Giseli here. Today we're here at Target. They just released their Black Friday sales, so we're gonna go inside and check it out. Let's do some shopping. As you walk in the store, one of the first things you see are a lot of TVs that are on sale for this Black Friday. The prices vary from $229 to $479 and to $699 and up, and there are a lot of options to choose from here. All great sale prices. You can see here are some more really good deals. Once you get into the electronics section, you will see even more deals on TVs that they have for the sale. They have all the top brands: Sony, LG, Samsung, Vizio, TCL, RCA, and many others. The discounts here are great, with most TVs getting a really nice sale price this week. Here are some of the sound bars that they display in the store, but be sure to check on Target.com for more options. Have fun shopping on Black Friday, guys. The Nintendo Switch is one of the hottest video game consoles out right now. Target usually has all three models in stock, along with a really large selection of games, with many of them currently on sale. The Xbox Series X is also another really hot video game console that is out right now. Aside from the discount Xbox games, Target also has a lot of gaming accessories on sale. Look at all these Xbox games that they currently have on sale. If you're looking for PC gaming accessories, they got you covered. There are a lot of items with nice discount prices. Check out the Oculus Quest 2. You get a free $50 Target gift card when you purchase these at $299. Have fun shopping on Black Friday, guys. If you're looking for the latest iPhone, Target has them in stock. If you are looking for a more affordable laptop, Target has some options in store, which varies from $129 to $199. But if you're looking for the higher end models, you will need to look on Target.com for a full selection. Are you looking for some new headphones? They have a large display here for Bose, Sony, and Beats models. Check out the largest selection of wireless earbuds that they have on display. And if you're into fitness, they have a lot of sales on various Garmin and Fitbit models. Tell me in the comments below, what is your favorite fitness tracker? Do you prefer Garmin, Apple Watch, Fitbit? What is your favorite? Now check it out the prices for the Amazon tablets. And they also have the GoPro on sale. From electronics to household items, they got everything. If you were looking to upgrade any of your household items, now is the time to do it. Target has a really good selection of mixers, blenders, food processors, and other kitchen essentials. One of the hottest household items is the air fryer. Doesn't it seem like everyone wants one lately? Ninja is a really popular brand and Target has a lot of their models on sale. And they have the Power XL for $99.99. Look at this air fryer with touchscreen. How cool is that? This is another section where they have grills, pressure cookers, and other household items. They also have a great selection for waffle makers. Check this out. And here they have other different brands of toasters and air fryers on sale. And for all the coffee lovers out there, check it out, these coffee makers on sale. Are you looking to clean your house faster and easier? Check it out, all the robot vacuum cleaners. With so many items on sale, that is sure to be something for you here at Target. Black Friday deals just started today, so don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so we can stay connected. See you on my next video.